guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I hope you're doing well and taking good care of yourself and your loved ones. One of the main concerns I receive are weight related concerns. Many people are struggling to either lose weight or gain weight. In this video, I would like to share with you something which is great for gaining weight as well as improving energy levels, strengthening immunity, increasing the skin tone so if your skin appears dull, this will help. People who experience seasonal allergies or tend to get sick often, it is good for them as well. It is especially good for children. It is good for students who have heavy load of studies. And of course, it is great for underweight people who want to put on some weight. Sounds pretty magical, doesn't it? It's an Egyptian recipe called harz al-bakr. It's an old recipe. It's basically a jam. Its magic lies in the ingredients, which are highly nutritious, are high in calories, and combined together in this ratio and in this form can help you gain healthy body weight and energy pretty fast. If you have health conditions like diabetes and high cholesterol, then you should not take this mixture. Otherwise, it's fairly safe for healthy individuals. Now, I should mention that you need to take everything in moderation. So 1 tablespoon of this a day is more than enough for adults, and 2 teaspoons a day maximum for children under the age of 12. Now let's talk about what it contains. So 60% of this mixture is honey and 40% of it is the rest of the ingredients that I'm going to share with you now. First of these ingredients is royal jelly. Royal jelly is packed with nutrients. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It's good for immunity. It contains proteins which may help regulate blood pressure. It helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, and it helps body weight gain, healthy body weight gain. The next ingredient is brewer's yeast. Brewer's yeast can provide energy and can help maintain healthy skin and hair. It may be effective at supporting the nervous system and enhancing the immune system. It is also often used as an aid to promote healthy weight gain, and it also provides energy to the body. The third ingredient is fructose fruit sugar. It is available in a sugar form, and you simply add it to this mixture. I will share the ratios with you in a moment. The next ingredient is sweet potatoes. They can be added in a variety of ways. Sweet potatoes can be boiled or baked and then pureed and added to the mixture. Or if you want the mixture to last a while longer, you can add sweet potato powder, not the starch, powder. Caraway seeds, lettuce seeds, ground almonds, and ground fenugreek are the rest of the ingredients. They are all loaded with nutrients. The ratio is fairly simple. Let's say you want to make a total of 1 kilogram of mixture. 60% of it will be honey and 40% the rest of the ingredients. So you take 60 grams of honey, 5 gram royal jelly, 2.5 gram fructose fruit sugar, 2.5 gram brewer's yeast, 10 gram sweet potatoes, 5 gram caraway seeds, 5 gram lettuce seeds, 5 gram ground almonds, and 5 gram ground fenugreek seeds. So it's fenugreek seeds powder. Mix all of these ingredients well and store it in an airtight container. If you add fresh sweet potatoes, I would suggest you store it in the refrigerator, preserve it better. If the weather is cold, you can leave it outside in a dry area. Take 1 tablespoon of it daily. You can add it to a glass of milk if you like, or simply take a spoonful. It tastes great, and like I mentioned, it helps build up immunity, provides energy, increases stamina, and helps put on healthy weight. You will notice a difference after just a couple of weeks of regular use. Let me know if you have heard of it before. Let me know once you've tried it, how you feel, and how long did it take before you started to notice the results. This is it, you guys. It's fairly simple and very effective. Take good care of yourself. I will see you shortly with another video. Until then, goodbye.